organization, first of all?
Yes, our organisation is called the Secret Angels UK. We're based in Wolverhampton. Our founder, her name is Ali. She's been passionate about doing something for charity for many, many years. And then about 3 years ago, she started this charity. We're most well known for the food bank that we do every Tuesday from 10:30 till 4:30. In the space of 2 hours, so many people come, even more people coming now because of the situation with the economy. Every year we do handsome Macmillan support. Last year we raised £7,000. The year before was our first year. We raised nearly £3,000. The economy has hit people, so people have given less for charity this year. So we reckon between £3,000 to £4,000 has been raised. My personal duty within the Secret Angels is that I'm the digital inclusion officer, and what I do is that the council provide us with equipment, laptops, with internet access, with tablets, and we give them out. I set them up and I give them out to people in the community who don't have access to technology. And I think the most important thing, a couple of years ago when we were in the middle of COVID, people were stuck without equipment. So our charity is really for those people.
So what would you like to say about the Orcale Awards tonight?
The Orcale Awards, this is the second year I've come to the Orcale Awards, and I can see that it's a huge celebration for all the hard work that people have done, and it's not always been recognised. And I think that, as the lady spoke earlier on, the lady editor, that hopefully we're leaving a legacy, and that hopefully we are an inspiration that if you work hard, you too can be recognised.
Thank you.
You too can win an award.
Thank you very much. Thank you.